Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. So first of all, of course, you'll need an Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you do have an account, all you need to do, just go and get straight into Instagram after logging into your account. So let's just do an example first by let's say for example I will block my other account to just test. Here is it. Just click on the three dots and click as block. Just block this user and that's it. So now if I go to my other account and search for this account they blocked myself from, I will not find it. Even if I search in all results here at users, I cannot find it anywhere. But wait, let me just go back. If you go back here and go to your profile, you'll not even find him as a follower, even if he followed you before. So that's how you know he blocked you for sure. So let's just go back to my account and unblock myself to see. Just go here to your settings, go to privacy, then go to blocked account. No, just unblock myself, unblock, and just go back to this account. As you can see here, if I go to the search and search for the same user again, no, I will find him because he didn't block me now, or he's not blocking me now. So here I can see his photos, her stories, her posts, here his followers and following or whatever else. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.